What's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another throwback video. Got a lot of content coming for y'all very soon. I can't keep expressing that enough. In this video, we got a 2002 Chevy Silverado. I had bought a couple of Silverados at this point, man. I was like on the Silverado roll, but this was a 2002. Had 232,000 miles on it. As you can see, pretty good truck, nice, wasn't really no dents or anything too much. The tires were pretty shot though. This one was the LS version, so you know it wasn't really anything too special about this one. It only had the 4.8 motor, so it wasn't the 5.3 motor or anything like that. As you can see, tires were shot. Like I said, guys, the tires were pretty shot. Yeah, see, they were just pretty horrible. All four of them too. Like, they were pretty bad. Sorry about that, guys. They were pretty bad. But I ended up buying this one for $22.22. So that's $2,222. I sold it for the $2,700. So made a couple of bucks off this bad boy. Nothing too much, but like I say, all profit is good profit. I think I did pretty good on it. It wasn't, the 4x4 or anything. So I think, 27 was pretty, decent for it. Seeing that I paid, only $2,100. So I thought, it's pretty good. Let's see what else we got. I don't think the AC worked or anything in this truck too. So that was another thing. So that, yeah, guys, as you can see, the truck needed a little work. It needed all four tires. You know what I'm saying? The interior was pretty clean. It was the baby motor. It was a 2002, so it didn't have the the upgraded grill and front headlights and stuff like the 2003 and up. So I think this one was a pretty good deal. You guys let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Can't express that enough. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Peace.